Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2025 Lamborghini Pound 744, where Italian artistry meets electrifying performance. As the successor to the legendary Aventador, the LB744 isn't just a new chapter. It's the boldest rewrite of Lamborghini's performance story yet. With its groundbreaking hybrid powertrain and jaw-dropping design, it marks a new era for Lamborghini. But make no mistake, this is still a raging bull through and through. With its heart-pounding acceleration and unmistakable growl, there's no compromise on power. It surges from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, delivering relentless thrust that pins you to the seat. With 13 different drive modes, including an all-electric cheetah mode for silent cruising through city streets, this supercar adapts to your every mood. The hybrid system seamlessly balances efficiency and raw emotion, providing instant torque and heart-stopping acceleration. The steering is razor-sharp, a raging bull with an electric charge. Whether you're seeking electrifying performance or serene luxury, the LB744 delivers without compromise. The all-wheel drive system has been reimagined with the latest technology, offering precise torque vectoring and instant electric boost, giving you unparalleled control and confidence at every turn. Signature Y-shaped LED lights and sculpted aerodynamics standard for high performance. Step inside and you re-enveloped by a cockpit that blurs the line between a spaceship and a race car. The driver-focused layout features an all-digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a central infotainment screen, and a third display for the passenger. Every detail is designed to immerse you in the driving experience. The handcrafted interior combines the finest carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather, paying homage to Lamborghini's rich heritage. And yes, the iconic red flip-up starter button is still there, daring you to fire up the roaring beast. In Corsa mode, the LB744 transforms into a track-ready monster. Thank you for joining us today. And always remember, this is more than a car, it's a statement. It's a Lamborghini,